Yo, what is up guys, this is BloxsDevs, and in this video I'm going to show you how to earn Robux on Roblox. I used to search a lot on how to earn Robux on Roblox, and there was never really a practical way or a real way to earn Robux on Roblox. Most of them were just Roblox scams or crappy websites that take you ages to earn a little amount of Robux. So for those who don't want to use real money or don't have real money to get Robux, then this video is definitely for you, because after this video we're probably going to be earning thousands of Robux. Before we start this video, I just want to tell you, like and subscribe. It would be really appreciated. We're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. It would be just amazing. The first way to earn Robux on Roblox is definitely going to be making a Roblox game. Making a Roblox game is the base of Roblox in general. Roblox games are everywhere, and there is so much people in Roblox. That means you do not have to search for the audience. You just have to make your game. If you don't know how to make a game, I have tons of tutorials on how to make a game, and other people have tutorials as well. You can go check them out. Just click on my channel and you're going to see all those tutorials. All you need to do to pretty much create a game by yourself is get the basics of scripting, maybe a bit more advanced scripting, so you're able to pretty much work with everything and you're going to be good to go. I managed to learn the basics of scripting in around a week of 3 hours daily, and I became actually a pretty decent scripter after that. As well, front page make a lot of Robux. I'm not saying your game needs to go to the front page to make a lot of Robux, because I know people that have games that don't have that much people playing and earned a lot of Robux. But either ways, Jailbreak earned probably around 10 billion Robux, which is equal to $10 million, I believe. Now let's get into the second way to earn Robux on Roblox. The second way to earn Robux on Roblox is going to be making GFX. GFX is a way to create characters together for a Roblox game image. Here are some examples in the screen. Those examples are my GFXs that I managed to earn around 10,000 Robux with in only 3 weeks. Yeah, so GFX is not the best, it's not the easiest out of everything here, but still you can learn GFX, become pretty decent in around a month. As long as you become pretty decent, you can sell them at 500 to 1,000 Robux and start earning a lot of Robux. GFX consists of icons, thumbnails, and ads. So if you sell all of them together, you can get a lot of Robux. Now let's get into the third way. The third way is going to be making clothes. Wait, what? Making clothes? Yeah, you don't even have to sell them actually. So much people search for clothing designers, and I used to search for a clothing designer, but no one really showed up. So if you were there, I would have probably paid you. Anyway guys, so clothing designer is basically you designing clothing on Photoshop or any other app that has the ability to do so. And then you literally give the file to the person who wants to post it, and he will pay you Robux. I was actually searching for a clothing designer earlier this month, but I didn't find any, so I ended up making my own clothing. You can earn a pretty solid amount of Robux while clothing designing. It is not the best way to earn Robux, but it's going to earn you much more Robux than a crappy scammy website. I believe you can earn around probably 100 Robux per clothing design. That would be actually pretty decent. Don't forget to practice your skills. You can't just go into dev room and have really crappy skills and ask for Robux. That's just not how it works. Now let's get to the fourth way. Go to the dev room. The dev room is one of the best places to market your skills. I myself have a dev room post about all my skills and what you can hire me for, and yeah, it was working perfectly fine. I got so much commissions and I earned so much Robux from that. So you can go to the dev room and create your own post saying your skills and what you should be hired for, and what are you better working with. As well, you can choose your payment method. Some people want to be paid with PayPal only, and I haven't been paid with PayPal, I'll be honest, but I have been paid with Robux most of the times. If you're not a Robux fan and you're more of a PayPal fan, then you can just tell them to pay you with PayPal. But that's going to be it for this quick video. Thank you so much for watching. Those are the best ways to earn Robux on Roblox. This is BloxsDevs, and I'll see you soon.